issued severe thunderstorm watch number 20, effective until 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. This watch includes the following counties: in Virginia, Amelia, Caroline, Charles City, Chesterfield, Cumberland, Dinwiddie, Fluvanna, Gooch Lund, Hanover, Henrico, James City, King and Queen, King William, Louisa, Lunenburg, New Kent, Nottoway, Powhatan, Prince George, Surrey and Sussex, and the following independent cities: in Virginia, Colonial Heights, Hopewell, Petersburg, and Richmond. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Louisa County, northeastern Cumberland County, Goochland County, Fluvanna County, until 12:30 a.m. At 11:47 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of Charlottesville to near Centenary to near Tower Hill, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lake Monticello around 12:10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Palmyra and Boswell's Tavern around 12:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Kent Store and Troy around 12:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Fort Union, Ferncliff and Lakeside Village around 12:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Louisa, Columbia, Duncan and Fife around 12:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Orchid, 3 Square, Central Plains, Brennell Bluff, Whiteville, Westview, West Crossroads, Wilmington, Pemberton, and Dixie. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the city of Richmond, Chesterfield County, northeastern Nottoway County, southeastern Gooch Lund County, Henrico County, southern Hanover County, eastern Amelia County, northern Dinwiddie County, Powhatan County, until 1:15 a.m. At 12:34 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Trinidad to Amelia Courthouse to near Green Bay, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Goochland, Tula, and Scotts Fork around 12:40 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Greenville around 12:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Mosley around 12:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Plainville around 12:55 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Manuel around 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. University of Richmond, Bonnier, downtown Richmond, and eventually around 1:05 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Richmond, Virginia Union University, Virginia Commonwealth University, East Highland Park, Lakeside, Laurel, Glen Allen, and Kingston meeting around 1:10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Mechanicsville, Highland Springs, Sunny, and Chesterfield Courthouse around 1:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include North Wellville, Hammond, Naples, Gumtree, 3 Square, Montrose, Sandston, Pocahontas State Park, Skinholder, and Wellville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899.
And they ran out of time.
Talking to you. My name is Jerry. I live in North Hollywood.
First alert caught on WRVA, 11:40 a.m.
National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lunenburg County, Nottoway County, West Central Dinwiddie County, Northwestern Brunswick County until 1:30 a.m. At 12:43 a.m. Severe thunderstorm was located near Rehoboth, or 7 miles west of Victoria, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Blackstone, Crewe, Victoria, Cambridge, Nottoway, Lunenburg, Alberta, Wilsons, Kells Corner, Fort Pickett, Rehoboth, Spainville, Dundas, Bacon Fort, North Wellville, Cochrane, Irby, Wilburn, Gills Corner, and Arden Store. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Chesterfield County, the Colonial Heights, the city of Hopewell, northeastern Nottoway County, the northwestern city of Petersburg, western New Kent County, southeastern Henrico County, southeastern Amelia County, northern Dinwiddie County, until 1:45 a.m. At 1:17 a.m., severe thunderstorm was located over Manboro, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Richmond, Petersburg, Hopewell, Colonial Heights, Manboro, Virginia State University, Chester, Highland Springs, Fort Lee, Bentley, Bellwood, Wilsons, Matsuwaka, Spainville, Sutherland, Patrick, Chesterfield Courthouse, East Highland Park, Chesterfield, and North Wellville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield,